Okay, day before yesterday, I got a package in the mail I wasn't expecting, and most of didn't bring it in from the mail. I was already in bed, so got up, worked the next day, and same thing. I mean, next day I was out until bedtime, so I've had a couple days and haven't had a chance to open it. But this is a surprise unboxing. This is from Bruce over at Camp Wounded Dog Workshop. Like I said, this is totally unexpected. I don't have a clue what it is, but I'm anxious to tear into it, so let's get with it. Need to sharpen my knife. Hey, check this out. I love my fount vise. I use it all the time. If there was one improvement, I'd use wingnuts so I wouldn't have to be looking for my 7/16 wrench all the time. Camp Wounded Dog Workshop. Alright, if y'all don't know Bruce over at Camp Wounded Dog Workshop, you need to go check out his channel. This guy is a genius. I mean, check this out. That's his custom reproduction of the Coleman arc lantern. I mean, he builds custom lanterns, the reproductions, and I mean, he does an outstanding job. He nickel plates, buffs, I mean, seals founts. I mean, there's nothing that man can't do. So y'all need to check him out. I'll try to put a link to his channel in the description. Hey, look at there. Whole bag of wing nuts. Yes, sir. Those come in handy. Bruce, I appreciate it, buddy. I really do. Let me tell you, Bruce is the man. You can send him an old nickel fount like this, and he'll dip that thing in numeric acid. I think it's numeric acid he uses, and he will re-nickel plate this, and it will look like a brand new fountain when he sends it back to you. He'll polish it and buff it, and man, they look good. I mean, he is the man when it comes to something like that. And here's something else that he made me. Get the focus in. Camp Wounded Dog Workshop. That's a piece of copper water line he nickel plated, and he put a bung off of a Coleman lantern on there. And what that is for, you can take your fuel cap, put on there, and you go over to your buffer on your buffer wheel. And don't ask me how I know, but sometimes when you're buffing these, you're trying to hold them by hand on that buffer wheel and it's high speed, it will grab that and shoot it across the shop and you'll never find it again. Don't ask me how I know that, but apparently he knew that it happened. So he sent me this to buff out the caps without losing your cap. And I mean, that is just genius right there. Okay, you all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.